Peerless has engineered the large format venue luminaire with the installer in mind. Installation is simple, quick, and requires minimal handling. Cable grippers and power feed cables are installed at the factory, reducing the amount of time and handling required prior to installation. Prior to installing the venue fixture, be sure to review the installation manual found online at peerless.com and included in each shipment. Venue arrives on site in a recyclable, double-walled, corrugated container surrounded by recyclable padding and sealed within a bag. First, packaging is removed to expose the top of the fixture. With the lid removed, all of the necessary components are immediately accessible to the installer. The fixture can remain inside the box for maximum protection. A scissor lift or ladder can be used to access the mounting location. Install structural support and canopy positions as specified in the mounting instructions, using canopies and aircraft cable connections. Universal mounting brackets as well as canopies and associated hardware arrive on site in a separate red box for easy identification. The luminaire, still in its box, can now be loaded onto the scissor lift for installation. Once in position, installers attached aircraft cables to the cable grippers. Next, the power feed cable is threaded through the canopy for connection to the power supply. With the suspension and power cables in place, the installers can lower the lift until the luminaire is exposed. Packaging materials can be retained within the packaging for recycling. The Class 2 power feed cable is supplied with push-to-connect connection to facilitate installation. Use the provided cable managers to contain the power feed cable and dress the installation. With all necessary connections made, power can be tested and excess aircraft cable can be cut to length or neatly stored. Installing the Peerless venue fixture is simple, quick, and requires minimal handling.